Basic properties of electric charge. Additivity. The total charge of a system is the algebraic sum of all individual charges distributed over different parts of the system. For example, the total charge of a system containing 4 charges, 2 coulomb, minus 5 coulomb, minus 6 coulomb and 4 coulomb is equal to minus 5 coulomb. Conservation of charge. The total charge of an isolated system remains constant during any process. Charge can be transferred from one body to another, but it can neither be created nor destroyed. For example, grounding of the charge. Quantization. Any charged body has a total charge, that is, an integral multiple of a certain smallest amount of a charge E. The smallest amount of free charge E that has been discovered is the charge on an electron or a proton having magnitude 1.60 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Any charge Q on an object can always be expressed as Q is equal to NE, where N is an integer.